Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today, I'm going to be ranting about you. You have zero problems, so you need to stop acting like the victim. This is going back to the comments that I receive on a daily basis. I have this problem. I can't manifest whatever I want because this is my circumstance. We're going to be talking about that in this video. But before we do, you're more than welcome to subscribe on this channel and talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. I am also offering one-on-one coaching on Kaminski.com. Go on the website, just have a little cruise and peruse, see what I offer. But basically, it's a 3, 6, or 9 email package where you tell me about what you want to manifest. I construct a manifesting routine for you. I answer any questions that you do have, and I can just be there for you as a friend as we talk back and forth with each other. So it is just a more intimate, personalized experience to YouTube videos. To check that out, go on Kaminski.com, and I also have all of my other services on there as well. So, all right, let's get into it. I intend for this video to help you manifest so much better. I know that this is going to be the best YouTube video that you have ever watched, and I'm really excited. All right, let's go. So the fact of the matter is whatever you think is a problem right now is actually not a problem. Nothing is a problem in this reality because you can just manifest your dream life at a matter of a snap by repeating non-stop over and over again your robotic affirmation. Whenever you have any thoughts that creep up like doubt, whenever you are facing circumstances, whatever it is, if you are so much as inclined to write down any circumstance, I'm saying literally any. Please look me in my soul, look me in my eyes, and understand what I am saying right now. Any circumstance that you are about to write down with your pretty little fingers, they are not an issue. Listen, all you need to do is pick one affirmation and continually affirm for it over and over again. Now, I started robotically affirming all my videos go viral, and I was doing it consistently, and literally within one day, one of my subscribers emailed me and said that I'm going to be on German TV by the end of the year, and I'm so excited. And it's not anything that I could have myself made up. It's just something that is coming to me, and I'm obviously going to get more eyes on me by being on German TV. Alexa, play Do Not Disturb by Drake. 7 a.m. in Germany. Can't believe that they heard of me. Oh my god, I love that song so much. This is literally a foolproof, bulletproof method, and if you are doing anything else or not doing this, you are seriously missing out, because this is why I have started to like robotic affirmations way more than any other technique, is because it is quantitative over qualitative. This is what I mean by this. If you are going for an exam in literature or in something that is art related, right, and you are writing some sort of a thesis and your teacher just does not agree with you because she has a different vibe, you can get marked down because of her biases. Whereas if you are doing a math test, 2 + 2 = 4, bitch, there is no way anyone could grade you in any other way other than 2 + 2 = motherfucking 4. So it is foolproof and bulletproof, because you know that if you are non-stop affirming everything in my life is perfect, magical, and easy, or whatever it is that you are affirming, you are intentionally thinking as the person who has that thing without having to break your back and live in the end all the time, because we are all for living an easy and happy life. And although it may be monotonous to you, it is a foolproof method. So I do not want to hear anyone saying that they are having any issues, because you are motherfucking not. All you have to say is one umbrella affirmation. Mine is everything in my life is perfect, magical, and easy. You literally can be so doubtful of that affirmation. You could be like, what the hell, why isn't anything working? You can consistently like talk so much shit about your life and feel like shit and go on 1,100,000 spirals. But if you are still affirming, that is still tricking your subconscious mind into believing that you're already the person who has this, because you're already the person who's thinking like this, even if it is a manual, robotic, mindless, you are feeding that to your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind does not know the difference. Test it out. If this is the first time you're ever hearing about robotic affirmations, or if you were bored of them and you stopped doing them and now you're confused on what technique to do, just robotically affirm. If you are robotically affirming, good job. And I just want to say, do not bring any excuses on this channel or in your life, because you're doing yourself a massive disservice, because you are equipped with this motherfucking knowledge. Get your act right and do the fucking work, because all you have to do is affirm non-stop, and it really is just about consistency and doing it for a couple of weeks. If you are not consistent and you're doing it for a couple of days, most people give up after a couple of days and they go on about affirming that their life sucks. Like, you have to think of it this way, that every single thing is a motherfucking affirmation. Me saying this is an affirmation. Whatever you think in your mind is an affirmation. Whether you are intentionally affirming or you are subconsciously thinking, they are all basically affirmations at the end of the day, because you are in your mind palace telling yourself this is the way it is. So you don't have to flip your thoughts. All you have to do is be consistent with affirming. I have made it so freaking simple for you. I'm going to pop a motherfucking blood vessel. Like, I'm just gonna robotically affirm. Everyone understands. Everyone's gonna apply it and it's going to work for them, and it's going to work, obviously. Go on my Facebook page. You're growing with success stories every single day. Like, when we just started, we were learning, like, we were on this journey together, but now we are so strong and beautiful and successful and happy. And like, I just love how the Facebook page is shaping up to be. Everyone is so like talking about their successes so much, and it hypes me up incredibly, and I love you guys so much on there. And it's because y'all realize that you have no motherfucking problem. Affirmation helps you in more ways than one. I can tell you that. It helps you fall asleep. It is a meditation, because in meditation, you know how they say just focus on one sound or white noise, stuff like that. You are creating your own basically white noise by robotically affirming over and over again. Having it be mundane is a good thing for your life, because it keeps you from being doubtful and it helps your monkey mind. So if you just stay through that, you just wait through the boredom, through the uncomfort maybe. Remember this video, remember me telling you that if you robotically affirm, you will literally get anything that you want in your life. Just like if you go to the gym, you're gonna lose weight, right? But it's so much deeper than that, because it's not just you lose weight or, you know, your endorphins heighten. And I mean, there are so many benefits to the gym, but this is just like limitless benefits. Like, you robotically affirm, you get anything that you want in your motherfucking life. Like, it is literally like, this is why I have the genie lamp, because it is so true. Robotic affirmations is your motherfucking genie. Use one robotic affirmation. Do not complicate it. I don't want to hear anyone complaining ever at all in your life, because you have zero problems, because you know about law of assumption, you know about robotic affirmations. What else could you possibly need in your motherfucking life? Because anything that you do need or want, you can just robotically affirm it into your life. Answer me right now. Have you actually been consistently robotically affirming for 4 weeks straight? Because I can tell you, a lot of people also fall off is because the whole 3-day trend is huge, and while that is possible for you, a lot of people give up because it didn't manifest in 3 days. Try for 3 to 4 weeks by consistently affirming. I'm talking about morning, afternoon, night, whenever your mind isn't stimulated. But even then, I forgot to robotically affirm, and I still started seeing the fruits of my labor with the German TV thing, and me getting super excited to film again, and, you know, having all of these ideas, having more energy. I mean, my comment interaction is going up, so I'm very excited about that. And you begin to see things moving, even if it's not the whole manifestation instantly. You begin seeing things moving almost instantly. I promise you that. So, and whoever did actually robotically affirm consistently for 4 weeks, they will all say that they have manifested their shit. So what are you waiting for? Why are you complaining? Stop complaining. Just stop complaining. I'm grabbing you literally by the neck and I'm gonna strangle you right now if you don't stop. Just stop. complaining forever for the rest of your life, in real life, on the internet, in your mind. If you are in your mind, just robotically affirm your set affirmation. That's it. It is so freaking easy. Let me know how you go with it in the comments down below. I love you all so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I know that this video gave you the guidance that you needed, and I know that this is the best YouTube video that you have ever watched. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Please have a beautiful, amazing day. Enjoy yourself, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.